How to fix a loop auto connect in IPVanish on Windows 10/8/7. The problem: when running IPVanish application, you might experience a situation where the IPVanish Windows app gets stuck in a loop while attempting to auto connect to the VPN. If this situation occurs, due to a server or protocol issue, it becomes impossible to select a new server or change the VPN protocol the app is using. In this case, you will not be able to take control of the application. The solution: this guide will help you regain access to the IPVanish Windows application while it is stuck in a loop trying to auto connect. 1. The first step is to quit IPVanish application. To achieve this, select the IPVanish application from the system tray and select the exit option from the menu that appears. 2. The next step is to delete the folder S, where IPVanish stores files. To delete the folder, do the following: open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and R at the same time. Then type the following in the open box: %homepath %appdata/roaming3. Now you will be redirected to the roaming folder. Find all of the files named IPVanish and delete them. 4. Restart your computer after completely deleting these folders. 5. Access the IPVanish application from the Start menu of your Windows device and log in with your credentials to continue browsing securely over the VPN. Click here to know more about using the IPVanish application on a Windows device. If you need any further assistance, please contact IPVanish support team.